Hello from Bush Support. In this video, we will show you how to perform cleaning and maintenance on a Bush Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. The frequency that the filter should be cleaned will depend on how much you use the vacuum. For maximum efficiency, the filter assembly should be cleaned every time the dust container is emptied. We also recommend cleaning the filters if you notice reduced suction power. Firstly, wipe the outside of the vacuum cleaner with a damp cloth and then wipe dry. Do not use detergents or solvents, as these may scratch or damage the surface. Additionally, do not immerse the vacuum body or cable in water. To empty the dust container, start by switching the vacuum off. Next, press the release button and remove the dust container. Pull the filter assembly out of the container. Empty the dust container and tap the filter on the edge of the bin to remove any loose dust. The inside of the dust container can be wiped clean with a damp cloth. Dry the container with a soft dry cloth. Then, hold the filter assembly in one hand and with the other hand, twist the filter to release and separate the two parts. Wash the filter and the filter holder in cool soapy water. Then, rinse under running water until the water runs clear. Allow the filter to dry fully, as using a wet filter will reduce the suction and damage the motor. To refit the filter, align the arrow on the filter holder with a line under the padlock symbol. Twist clockwise to secure the filter assembly together. Finally, refit the filter assembly and reattach the dust container. Your Bush Handheld Vacuum is now ready to use. For further information, please visit www.bush-support.com.